Namaste. Friends, gratitude is something which is very important for our well being. A little appreciation, a little thanksgiving to the nature around us does wonders to our mind and body and helps us to stay healthy and positive and humble. In our Indian culture, we have a concept of Panch Mahayagna or Panch Renas, the obligations that we are born with. Every human being is born with a certain debt, and how do you repay this debt? By giving a payback in the form of a gratitude. So, what are these Panch Mahayagnas, the obligations? Let us see. So, the first Panch Mahayagna is the Pitru Ren, towards our parents, the obligation, because they have given us birth and they nurture us, they bring us up. So, how do we pay back? How do we give gratitude to them? By giving respect to them, and when they go away, we do Shraddha for them. And then we have Rishirin, our obligation towards our teachers who give us knowledge. And how do we have gratitude towards them? By spreading their knowledge and assimilating it. Then we have Devrin, obligation towards gods who have given us this beautiful life. And how do we pay gratitude to them? By offering our prayers to them, which brings a lot of peace to our mind, of course. And then we have Manushyarin, our community, fellow beings. We are obliged towards them. So how do we give a payback to them? We offer our gratitude to them by being compassionate to them, by doing community work. And then we have Bhutren. Bhutren is obligation towards the cosmic elements and nature. The air that we breathe, the earth which tolerates us, bears us, the birds, the animals, all these things around us because of whom we cannot survive. The sun which gives us energy and vitality, because of which we cannot survive. And how do you give gratitude to them? By offering our goodwill, food, etc. and so on. Surya Namaskar is an age-old practice where we offer namans to Lord Sun, and in that process we also remain healthy. It helps us to internalize Sun as a part of our body system. Consisting of 12 steps, it includes all the elements of asanas, breathing, Shithlikaran Vyayam, and makes our body and mind fit and healthy. So friends, today we are going to do Surya Namaskar, a complete body workout of these 12 steps, and usually done at sunrise and sunset. It increases the general flexibility of the body. It has a direct effect on the solar energies of our body centered at Manipur chakra and flowing through the Ida and Pingala nadis. In fact, Surya Namaskar stimulates our entire system. So friends, let's do Surya Namaskar in today's session. Let us see a quick demonstration of the 12 steps of Surya Namaskar, offering our gratitude to Lord Sun to remain healthy. We shall begin with Pranam Asan, Namaskar Mudra in front of your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Back to pranamas. So friends, just now you saw a full demonstration of 12 steps of Surya Namaskar. Now, to do Surya Namaskar, it's nice if we do certain preparatory practices so that your body is ready to actually do Surya Namaskar. So, we will do certain preparatory practices. हम कुछ exercises करेंगे जिससे पहले हमारा जो शरीर है वो इतना ढीला हो जाए कि हम सूर्य नमस्कार अच्छे से कर सकें. तो हम शुरू करेंगे साइड ट्विस्टिंग से. आप 10 से 20 बार, यू कैन डू इट 10 to 20 टाइम्स. Relax, slow down. Breathe in and out deeply. Now we go on to the next, forward and backward bending. So put your palms on your waist. Stretch yourself behind. Exhale and move down. Do it 10 times. If you are not able to touch your feet, it's okay. Just be comfortable. Help yourself to loosen up your body. These exercises will help you to move forward and backward in Surya Namaskar. Ten to 20 times you can do this. And relax. Breathe in and out deeply. Now side bending. Please turn forward. So take a distance between your arms. We have been doing this exercise before also. Start. Again 10 to 20 times. Every time you go down, you exhale. Every time you come to the center, you inhale. Relax. Deep breathing in and out. Now we go on to the next one, Utkat Asana breathing. So take both your hands up. You have to act as if you're sitting on the chair and get up again. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will help to loosen up your knees to do a better Surya Namaskar and provide strength to your hamstrings and calf muscles. Loosen up your thighs as well and open up your hip joints. Just 5 to 10 times is more than sufficient. Relax. Deep breathing in and out. Now we go for Virbhadra Asana breathing, that is lunging your legs back and front. Start. See, it's very easy. One leg forward and the hand in Namaskar Mudra. 5 to 10 times. आप धीरे भी कर सकते हैं और आप तेज भी कर सकते हैं. Relax. Close your eyes and just relax your body. Breathe in and out deeply. Let us chant one Omkar. Breathe in. Observe your breath. रिलैक्स. लेट द ब्रेथ नॉर्मलाइज. अपने श्वसन को नॉर्मल होने दीजिए. सहज भाव से श्वसन. अब हम आपको सूर्य नमस्कार स्टेप वाइज हर आसन के नाम के साथ और उनके बेनिफिट्स के साथ बताएंगे. तो शुरू करते हैं हम. बिगनिंग पोजीशन जो प्रणाम आसन है. प्रणाम आसन induces a sense of calm and introspection in us. So we start Surya Namaskar with Pranam Asana. Now step 1, when you take both the hands up, it is known as Hast Utthan Asana. हाथ को ऊपर उठाना, taking your hands up. It stretches the chest and abdomen, lifting the prana to the upper body. 2, go down. Padhastasana stretches hamstrings and blood flows to the brain. Prana travels to the lower body. 3, Ashva Sanchalan. This improves the flexibility and stretches the pelvic muscles. 4, Tula Asana, we also call it Adho Mukh Dandasana. It strengthens core abdominal muscles. It's like a plank pose. 5, Sashankasana, a relaxing position. Now from here we will go to Ashtang Namaskar, which increases the blood flow to the chest and strengthens the arms and shoulders. 7, Bhujangasana or the snake position expands our chest and abdomen. Parvat Asana, the 8th position, strengthens the arms, the shoulder, legs and stretches the calf muscles and increases the blood flow to the brain. Again, Sashankasana, position number 9. It's a repetition of position number 5. Ten, bring your right leg forward and look up in Ashva Sanchalan again. 11, Padhastasana. 12, go back in Hastuttanasana and back to Pranamasana. So these are the 12 steps of Surya Namaskar Asana wise that we have showed you.
Now I'll tell you generally what are the mistakes people do. They give the legs apart. So legs should be together, and while they are raising their hands, instead of keeping elbows straight, they bend their elbows. Once you bend your elbows, you will not get pressure in your lower back. Always try to bend from the lower back by keeping your elbows straight. Then, while bending, you people they bend directly. But instead of bending directly, you bend from the lower back first. Then place your palms and push your head towards your knees. This is 2. And in 3, instead of rubbing your feet, just give the jerk and take. This is the right way. Don't rub your feet. And this time push your lower back forward so that you can feel the stretch in your spine. And in 4, same way, just take your leg directly. This is the stretch. And don't bend your knees. If you bend your knees, that is wrong.
So
Then in 5, do not move your palms. Keep your palms fixed. Only push your body little back and sit on your heels and touch your forehead on the floor. Normal breathing.
Pranamasana. So today let us practice the first 5 steps perfectly. Are you all ready, friends? So please put your legs together. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Step 1. Take both your hands up, arch from your lower back. Now slowly exhale, come down from your lower back. Do not droop your shoulders. Do not bend your knees. 3. Take the right leg behind and look up. See, the foot is right between the two palms. It should not be backward or forward. Right in the middle. 4. Tula Asana. Now here friends, mostly people go into Bhujangasana like this or Parvatasana like this. No, you have to have perfect 30 degrees angle like a plank. And once now the hands are fixed, palms are frozen on the floor, they will not move. Only your spine will flex up and down. 5. Slowly put your knees on the ground and go to Sashank Asana. Okay, come back slowly. Let us practice the 5 steps once again. Once again, friends, let us first excel in our first 5 steps before we do all the 12 steps. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now look at the position of the thigh and calf muscle. They are perpendicular to each other and your right foot is on the toe. 4. The plank or the Tula Asana. Look forward. 5. Slowly shift back into Sashank Asana. Now lie down on your mat in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands by the side of the waist, palms facing the ceiling or the sky if you are in the open area. शरीर को एकदम ढीला छोड़ दीजिए, किसी भी प्रकार का तनाव नहीं. हर विगरस एक्सरसाइज के बाद, डायनेमिक एक्सरसाइज के बाद शव आसन हमारे शरीर को एकदम ढीला छोड़ देता है, एकदम रिलैक्स कर देता है. Relax, totally relax. Feel the touch of your body with the ground. Leave your body loose as if your body is sinking onto the earth. Let Mother Earth bear your weight. See how each breath is going in and how each breath is coming out. After doing these 5 rounds, body's breath has become fast. We will slow it down by synchronizing our breath with the abdominal movement. So as you breathe in, inhale, lift your abdomen up. As you exhale, push it down. Breathe in, body up. Breathe out, abdomen down. Breathe in, abdomen goes up like a balloon. Breathe out, slowly sink it down. Continue to do this for next 5 to 9 rounds till you feel harmonized with your breath. Your body is beautifully relaxed now. Slowly bring your legs together, hands by the side. Slide your right hand above the head. Fold your left knee and turn to the right side. Now, slowly taking your own time with eyes closed, very gently come up to the sitting position. If you want, you can sit in Padmasana. If you want, you can sit in Sukhasana. Whatever pose is comfortable for you. Some silence. Namaskar Mudra. We shall end the session with the prayer. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari